Okay guys, so let's continue solving our task, and we have the following one. So we have a task convert to base 2. We have an integer n, return a binary string representation. It's represented in it's in base 2. Note that the returned string should not have leading zeros unless the string is 0. So for example, we have n equal to 2, and in result we have 1, 1, 0. So it means that -2 squared plus -2, 1 equal to 2. Okay, and yeah, so we have 3, 4. Okay. Okay, yeah, understand. So we have some integer, and we want to have a string representation of this integer. I'm interested like here. So we have -2 in 2. It would be 4. -2. Yeah, 4 minus 2 will be 1. Would be 2. Okay. And convert to -2 base. All right. So we have integer n, and its representation is -2 based. All right, interesting. Okay, understand. So we have some value n, and we want to have it in integer representation without leading zeros. So how can we do this? How can we do this? And yeah, so let's find some constraints about n. So we see it's from 0 to 10 in the 9th power. And if it's 0, it would be empty string or what? It would be empty string. So yeah, so let's say test case 0, and we return an empty string. So is it correct? No, it's not correct. So yeah, so output will be 0. All right. Good. So let's take a look how we can do this. So we know that 10 in the 9th power, it's 1 billion, right? So we have our -2, in which power -2 would be this 9. Yeah, so in which power? 2 in which power would be equal to 9. So we can take like a square root of 10 in the 9th power, and it would be our starting position. So square root in 10 in the 9th power, so it's actually our starting position of 2 in which power. Yeah. So 2 in the power 20, I know that it would be 1 million. And 2 in the power of 30, it's actually 1 billion. It's a little bit more, but yeah, so 2 in the power of 30. And if I have minus 2 in the power of 30, I have this 1 billion. And I can go starting from this 30 and then decrement actually this number. So for example, I can start with I equal to 30, I is greater or equal to 0, I minus minus. I have my n, and yeah, so I can calculate minus 2. So I can use like mass pal. Mass pal would return me double. Mass pal. Oh, I don't remember. Yeah, so it return double. So it's not. Let's create like pal method. Private to int pal. And here I have some I. And here I iterate from, I have some j from I less than equals to j I plus plus, and I have some result, and in this result I would add minus 2 . Yeah, so if I want to calculate for 30, so I need to calculate minus 2 30 times. Okay, so it would be my pal. And here I call this pal method for I, and I have some p-value. And if my p-value is greater than n, and also I have string results. Yeah, so if it's greater than n, then I do nothing, but if it's if n is more or equal, then I add to my result 1, and I decrement n by p-value. But for example, for here, so when I have e equal to 2, I have 4, n equals to 2, so it's not correct. Yeah, it's not correct. Yeah, so here I think it should be 30 and 2. Yeah, I think I don't actually know how to solve it. Yeah, let's check. Okay, I think I don't know how to set.